been trying to improve my English for a long time. Still, my English is not improving. What should I do? How can I speak this language fluently and effortlessly? It's a big problem because I need to speak English language because my career depends on it. Or my friend, they laugh at me. They tell me that you can never ever speak this language. Even my family members sometimes they say that you can never speak this language. A lot of things. So I want to speak this language fluently. This is my goal. Is it your goal too? If it is, then this video is for you, my friend. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, let me tell you one thing. If you really want to improve English language, it's not very hard. Yes, you heard me right. It's not that difficult the way you are thinking about this language. It's a language, okay? You can learn it. But for that, you need to change your habits. You need to change your routine. Let me ask you one question. What do you do once you get up? You might be scrolling your mobile. You might be watching reels, videos, or talking to your family member in your mother tongue, right? So you need to change slightly. You should start listening English language. You should start watching some videos related to English. You should start reading books. Then you can speak this language. My friend, what happened? The thing which we do early morning, that goes on in our mind whole day. I have noticed it. Once I listened one song and I listened early morning. I started, singing that song whole day. It was going on in my mind while working, while walking. I started singing that song and I didn't want to do that one. I didn't do it deliberately. It was just coming in my mind because I had just heard early morning. So if you want to speak this language, if you want to think about this language whole day, then try to speak, try to listen English language early morning. That's what I started doing as a beginner. You won't believe, I didn't have habit of using mobile phone. I didn't used to like, I used to get up and start doing some house chores or some exercise and all. But ever since I started learning English language, I started watching my mobile, but not a lot because I wanted to improve my English language. That is why I started watching some videos. So in your case also, you should start watching some videos regarding English if you want to improve this language. If you listen something early morning, if you read something early morning, it will be in your mind. And if you are going to talk to someone, it may come automatically, So if you want to learn English language, first of all, try to change your habit, or try to change your routine. The thing is that we always speak our mother tongue, right? But we want to learn English language. So it become little challenging because most of the time our mind is occupied with our mother tongue. We are not giving space for English language. So how come we can speak English language, my friend? We need to give space to our mind so that it can think about English language. It can get the place to keep some words, some vocabulary or some sentences, right? So that we can speak English language too. So I'm not saying that you stop talking in your mother tongue. I'm not saying start speaking only English language. No, it can never ever be possible because at my home also, if I start speaking in English language, my family member, they will, tell me go out of our home. This kind of statement they will give to me. For that reason, I try to speak with them in my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Bhojpuri. So I try to talk with my family member in Bhojpuri language. But when it comes to my friend, when it comes to listening, watching, reading, I do all the stuff in English language. And that's how my English is improving. Or else it was very, very difficult for me too. It might be difficult for you, but my friend, it will be easy. If you work on your habit and make it English speaking habit or English speaking routine, then it will be easy. We think it's very difficult. First of all, let me tell you one thing, my friend. If you think it's very difficult, it will be difficult. You know, what we think always, it appears or it just happen in our life, or it start happening in our life. That is why think positive. That is why think that you can speak English language, or imagine that you are already speaking English language in front of your friends, in front of a mobile camera, or you are doing public speaking. Just imagine. It doesn't take much effort to imagine something, right? You just have to close your eyes and just think that you are already speaking this language. So this is the thing. Nothing was easy for me. I also thought that I won't be able to speak this language, but now I'm speaking before you. How? Because I changed my habit, because I changed my routine, right? When we talk about environment, yes, it's very important to have the English speaking environment, but in case if we don't have, even we can learn English language, because now it's totally depends on us. It's our responsibility. We can learn this language on our own, you know. So I did the same. I have been learning alone. In my family member, no one speaks English language. So don't expect from your friends, don't expect from your environment that it will change. Change yourself, right? It's possible. It is hard to change ourselves. It seems difficult to work on ourselves, but I think that if you start working on yourself, it will be good, because it's in our hand. Though it is difficult, yet we can work on ourselves, and once we start working on ourselves, things will become easy for us. We don't need to change our environment. Sometimes it's impossible. If I had told my family member learn English language because I need to create environment, or if I had told my friends to start speaking English language for creating environment, I may have not started speaking this language, you know. So don't depend on your environment, don't depend on your family member, on your friend. This is your journey. You have started learning English language, it's your responsibility, right? You should work hard. You should change your habit, your routine, whatever it takes. Just change and learn this beautiful language. I'm not saying English is only beautiful. Our mother tongue is also beautiful, right? So this is the thing. I'm sitting on the ground and recording my video. As like always, I have already come in my field, and you can see far and wide, no one is there. And that's why peacefully I'm able to record my video. Actually, a few minutes ago, this place also, I could hear music, you know. Marriage season is going on. That is why environment is bit noisy, but no problem. I got the chance to record my video and to share with you people what it takes to become a fluent English speaker. So whatever I shared with you, I did all and I do all the things. I mean, I start speaking English language early morning. I start listening and read and try to talk to my friends, whosoever is interested in speaking English language. And I have already changed my habits, my routine. That's why I'm able to speak English language. So if you want to speak English language, then do these all things. This is the thing I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.